Hi everyone, I'm Kevin from Sticks and Stones Wood Garden. How would you like to take an ordinary wooden shoe like this, a neat little item, right? You could pick it up at a flea market or somewhere, and transform it into something like this for the holidays. Okay? Or maybe you have an old baseball bat, right? And with a baseball bat, you could transform into something like this. This is a full-size baseball bat. Okay? So if you think that right there would be something you'd be interested in, then stick around, because that's exactly what I'm going to show you in this video. Come join.
Okay, first we're going to have to get our shoe, and we're going to have to get a marker or a pencil or whatever, and we're going to have to draw our Santa face on it. Now, I'm not really using a pattern here. I'm just kind of trying to sketch out a nice simple Santa. And I know it's not the holidays right now, but this video will pertain to, before the holidays. It's never too late or too early to start making your holiday stuff. So this video is basically going to be about how I do it and showing you guys, the tool I use. But I'm going to do all of this with just one tool, besides my marker here or my pencil. Okay, and I'm just going to sketch a very, very basic Santa face on this shoe, and I can adjust it as I go. Then we're going to get a Dremel, and we're going to get one bit. It's going to be a flame style bit. Okay, and I could put a link in the description for it if you guys want to know what exactly I'm using. All right, and it's just going to be going around the design with just this bit. And so you could just watch it and get the idea that this is all you need. And then we throw some paint on it. But this whole thing's about how fast you can actually do something like this. And you don't have to go too deep. So just watch it and enjoy it. Get a flame style carbide bit. This is a Quetzal burr that I prefer. I believe it's medium grit. Might even be coarse grit. You could use coarse to medium. Put it in your Dremel or a Fordham. Just go around your outline. And you can adjust as you go. You don't have to follow the exact lines either. Hope it's not too bouncy for you here. But I do a lot of these, and I do them pretty quick. And I'll put them on rolling pins, and the same thing applies for a baseball bat. We've done plenty of patterns. You could take any one of those patterns and trace it on any type of wood and do this. We're just kind of relieving the wood, going around our design. And then once we have a decent face or a decent design, whatever we put on the piece of wood, whether it's a shoe or a bat or even a walking stick, and we'll paint it. So I'm going to stop talking here and just let you watch the video. If you have any questions, let me know. Put them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe. Starting to warm up here. We're going to be carving a lot of bigger stuff with the chainsaw, especially in a week or two. See how quick this goes? Doesn't take much. And again, here I am making Santas when it's actually about to be spring. Holidays are over. But it's never a bad time to have a couple of Santas made for the holidays. Basically, I'm just cutting out the lines, and then I'm undercutting. If I want the mustache to stand out, I'll take the wood out from underneath. And then I'll clean it off using the side of my bit here. This isn't a full how-to video, but you should be able to get the idea of what I'm doing. Pretty simple by watching. But you can do this whole carving with just this bit. I'm not going to go through the whole process of painting it. Just kind of a quick video to show you, how I would go about doing one of these. Be it a walking stick or a rolling pin, like I said. I have a huge mess I have to clean up this spring. And then we're going to start probably with some simpler carvings at first, like little bear heads. And we have to do the haunted tree, I promise you guys. Just trying to get the carving muscles warmed up right now. Definitely got some dust flying. Make sure you got your mask on. Pretty much one of the simplest ways I can show beginners, if you want to get a design on wood, how you go about doing that. You get some carbon paper, you get a design, you trace it on the wood if you don't draw. Get yourself a Dremel, they're pretty cheap. You will have to buy a flex shaft for your Dremel, which comes with the handpiece that you see here. And you get yourself a nice Kutzel burr or a saber-tooth burr. Make sure it's got a 1/8 inch shank, so it fits inside this flexi shaft here, flex shaft. And pretty much get a flame-shaped bit that comes to a point. You can pretty much draw with your Dremel pen. When you go around, you clean up spots, you adjust your design. As long as you can etch your face on there, you can paint it. One of my favorite pastimes is just doing simple stuff like this. Doesn't take half the carving as people think it does. I'm really not going that deep at all. But with a little bit of imagination, a little bit of practice, you can pretty much put anything you want on a piece of wood. Using just a Dremel and the right bit. Making holes here for the fluff on the fur. Just digging in with the point. You can see I'm going pretty quick too. It's not like I'm exactly taking my time too much. And we'll give it a couple lines for his beard hair. Nothing to it, guys. If you haven't tried carving this way, I recommend picking up a Dremel and a flex shaft and a nice little burr or a couple burrs and give it a shot. What do you got to lose, right? Okay, he's done. Now we're just going to dress him up a little bit. I'm going to show you the painted finished product. I stuck a little poinsettia in him. Put a couple of dots and decorations on them, a couple berries at the top. If you paint, you can really have a ball with, doing this type of carving. And that's it. So let me know how you enjoyed this video. Hope that gave you an idea. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.